You're the grandma?
Yes. Hello, I have to come to see, what's your baby?
Oh, Sydney, are you rocking your baby? You kiss the baby. Let Adara kiss the baby.
Can I kiss the baby?
Okay, I'll kiss the baby. I'll kiss the baby. Here. Hey, give it. Oh, no. Okay.
She doesn't want anybody to take her spot. Can Grandma have a seat too? Okay, maybe not. I just have to sit out here.
Sydney, where's the baby? She abusing the baby. Oh, there it is. Sydney, give your baby a kiss. Aww.
Can I give the baby?
Aww. Aww. Okay, I'll kiss the baby here. Ouch. Mwah. No, you can't have my pen, girl.